Monday, guys. This is His Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com, and for today, Muffins Monday. Today's recipe is Muffins Monday, and it is lemon poppy seed muffins. Check out the full video now. See you soon again. Bye. This is 2 tablespoons of lemon juice in a cup measuring, and then add enough milk until 1 whole cup. For the dry ingredients, this is 2 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of poppy seeds, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, a generous pinch of salt, and half cup of sugar. And we're just gonna mix this. And this is the buttermilk with 2 whole eggs, 6 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Using food processor, I'm gonna mix this until completely combined. Now we're gonna add in our wet ingredients into our dry ingredients and mix it until just combined. You don't want overly mixed, so just to combine. Like so. Now we're just gonna drop per half cup or divide the batter into 6 cavities of a large muffin mold, and this is already greased with melted unsalted butter. Like so. Now we're gonna bake it on preheated 400 Fahrenheit for 18 to 20 minutes depending on your oven. Take out from the oven. Now over here I have grated 1 lemon peel, and here is 2 tablespoons of icing sugar, and we're gonna dilute in lemon juice. So this is 2 tablespoons with 3 teaspoons of lemon juice. We're just gonna top it with icing sugar. I mean, not icing sugar, glaze, icing glaze. And then a little bit of grated lemon. This is so fragrant and so lemony good. Enjoy!